The DOBOT autonomous mobile manipulation robot solution uses an automobile base and a CR series cobot that connects instantly to a variety of grippers and 2D, 3D vision modules. The solution can be easily deployed to automate wafer transportation, loading and unloading, and patrolling tasks. It meets the requirements of ISO 3691-4, 2020. Dual LiDAR sensors scan 360 degrees to ensure safety. Customizable safety zones meet the needs of various application scenarios. Supports vision-based automatic calibration to achieve plus or minus 0.5 mm accuracy. Supports smart calibration with feature identification for extra precise accuracy. Graphical user interface for map construction, station and path creation, and task editing. Embedded laser slam algorithm achieves repeatability up to plus or minus 5 mm. Adjustable navigation speed up to 1.5 meters per second. Compact body to navigate through narrow pathways. The AMMR can carry out automation tasks, such as multi-station loading and unloading, autonomous transportation and more, making production lines even more flexible. It is ideal for the semiconductor, consumer electronics, metal processing, manufacturing, and energy industries.